So this is my cat Petrie. He has had a rough road. Somebody kidnapped him. And he's been abused since he's been kidnapped. Look at this loving cat. He's such a beautiful cat. He's so loving. Listen. That's his purr. This cat is beautiful. I'm lucky to have him home. He almost didn't come home. Oh God, I love you, sweetie. I love you, my son. I love you, my son. Yeah. Somebody's gonna get hurt. I know one of the people that kidnapped him and took him out. But I need to be sure of who helped him before I make any decisions. When you're looking in this cat's eyes, decisions need to be made. When he came home, his whiskers were cut. And other things. This cat's been through a lot. And he made it home, bitches.